I go back, could it ever be the same? Oh, the wind, it blows. Could you take me to the coast and put me on a ship? I would just sail away. Moving on. New morning. Moving on. New morning. Moving on. New morning. Moving on. Moving on.
Cruising the Cuban coast. Cayo La Vista right there. We spent the week there. We met some really nice people from Canada and from the UK as well. We spent New Year's with them, set off some fireworks on the boat, and we just stayed in Anchor. There's a resort as well that we went. We took the dinghy out and went down to the resort and had a dinner for New Year's. 25 cook for a buffet in Cuba. That's a very good deal. So we're trying to fish. We don't have any bait. So Maria had the idea to use this.
Tortellini.
What is it?
Tortellini.
Tortellini that Maria made in the morning. I hope the fish like pasta with tomato sauce. So I cut it short as well so we can throw it behind.
I know you must have.
I think we're gonna catch a mahi mahi with this.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, it's going. Okay. We found some fisherman that wants to sell us a lobster. Get the cook. Get my lobster. Lobster. Oh, wow.
¿Qué precio? Yo soy española y él canadiense. Espera, te paso una. Hola.
Ya se van.
Y vamos para Cayo Díaz. Vamos a ir para México, vamos a parar en Cayo Díaz y después para los gordos.
He's good. Nice. What
¿Y
type of
el
fish is it?
pescado ese cuál es? Sí, ¿no tiene espina? Sí.
It's so beautiful though.
You have to cut it.
Yeah, no problem. I cut it before.
Gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Qué buena.
Bye. Good luck. And they don't even have claws. Hey buddy, what's up? You're gonna be our lunch. Oh no, he's ripping my bag. That was a bad idea with the bag.
Yeah.
Maybe I can put him in this bucket.
No. They are going to go away from there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So how do we kill him? I think we have to boil him first. That's the only way I kill him.
But oh no, fuck. We need a big pot to
I
boil.
know.
No, and also when it's still alive, you have to cut a half in the middle. You have to cut
Yeah.
it with the knife and cook in the grill. Amori, the guy said, please don't take photo.
So what should we do?
You
Well, let's
have to
continue
cut it.
sailing.
Amori. Why? I want to take a picture.
Two Caribbean lobsters, nice and clean. This is the female. Maria thinks we can cook the eggs, the yellow, the orange parts. Pretty big. Ah, that's the second guy. Let's see what our situation for the lunch is. These guys are about to get cooked. What's going on here? Oh, haba, haba. Smells so good. I haven't had a lobster like that in years. Cook, baby, cook. Motor sailing of the coast of Cuba. Our lunch,
And we have more.
and we have more. Yeah, lunch, langosta, beer, and sailing. All my favorite things.
Just do it. What's wrong with you? Yeah! Football! Touchdown!
I don't know. Yeah.
You suck.
You want more? Where are you going?
What? Hold it. Hold this. I go get some more.
Tortilla. Ah, no, gracias. What?
Yeah! Okay, let's not hear each other. You're welcome. Enjoy.
Yeah, we buy for 2 big lobsters for 20 cook.
Where are you going?
¿A dónde vais? María la Gorda.
The south. ¿Dónde es María la Gorda?
En el sur.
South. Ooh, it's far. You don't stop, or ask him, does he stop?
No paráis. ¿Vais directos a María la Gorda? No, nosotros Cayo Jutías. Cayo Jutías es how many miles from
15 nautical mile de aquí.
15
Más.
millas.
You have a fast boat.
Vamos más despacio nosotros.
David, I'm filming you and you're filming me. Hey, I call you on the VHF, but you don't answer. To VHF?
16, sí, 16.
Okay, we stay in contact if I... Okay, man.
Disfruta, pasarlo bien.
It's almost sunset, and we decided to anchor in a place called Santa Lucia. It's a fishing village, and I don't think we can go offshore. Cruising in Cuba is hard because cruisers can only go offshore in certain areas that are designated, where there's a Guardia Frontiera, and in this place there isn't. But we have a long voyage tomorrow of 70 nautical miles into the deep water to Los Moros on the western tip of the island. So I think we'll have a good rest and night's sleep here tonight, and we'll try to sneak in to shore, see what happens. Maria has the helm. Very beautiful and serene today. Look at all the mountains. Cuba is beautiful, but I think there should be more allowance for cruisers to go ashore, and more facilities, more marinas. I think Cuba is slowly opening up to cruising world, so there's a lot of uncharted places. Like for example, today I'll bet will be the only boat at anchor, which will be fine too, because we'll have the anchors to ourselves, and we can be naked, cook our lobsters again. I gave some away to Bruno, that boat on the catamaran. They're good guys. We met them in Marina anyway. Our anchor for the night. There is absolutely no wind today, which is good because we really don't have any protection. We couldn't enter the Puerto Lucia. They wouldn't let us. They called us on the VHF, and we told them I have boat problems, and they wouldn't let me in. There's an abandoned island there where we can take the dinghy tomorrow morning and we can walk. Just an island. The Caribbean Sea is right there. It's wide open, no protection. This is the light for Cayo Jutias, the lighthouse. Should flash any minute now. There you go. Yeah. It's dead calm. I think we'll have an early night in. Morning at anchor. That's a leftover from the lobster last night. I think we're going to make eggs and lobster for breakfast.
Hello, hello, can you hear me as I scream your name? Hello, hello, do you need me before I fade away? Is this a place that I call home?